we want to solve this nice exponential equation given 4 raised to power y equals 96. We are asked to find y, right? So the first step we are going to take here is to introduce log to both sides. And if we do introduce log, we are going to have log 4 raised to power y equals log 96. But here you have to recall that from the property of logarithm, if you have log p raised to power q, this q will come forward, we have q log p. Applying this to the above, we will have y will come forward, we have y log 4 equals log 96. And what we are going to do next is to divide both sides by log 4, then this also by log 4. This will cancel out this, and we will have y to be equals log 96 divided by log 4. Alright, but let's do something here. Let's say we have 96. Let's divide by 4. 4 in 96 we have 24. Right? So 4 divided by 24 divided by 4 we have 6. So if you multiply this and this together, that will be the product of our 96 here. So then we have y equals log, right? So 4 times 4, right? So that is 16 multiplied by 6 here divided by log 4. So then our y will be log, from the property of logarithm, we call that if you have log a times b, this is equals log a plus log b. So applying this here, we are going to have log 16 plus log 6 divided by log 4, right? So what we are going to do is we have y to be equals log, this we have 4 raised to power 2 plus log 6 divided by log 4. Alright, so then we will have y to be equals, here we have log 6, log 16, this is log 4. And what we are going to do is we have log 4 raised to power 2 divided by log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. Alright, then y will be equals, if you apply the property of logarithm here, we are going to have log 4 raised to power 2 divided by log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. So then y will be equals 2 log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 6 divided by log 4. We know this will cancel out this. Then we are going to have y to be equals 2 plus log 6 divided by log 4. I hope you are following. Let me know in the comment section. Therefore our y will be equals 2 plus, let's do something interesting here by breaking 6 down into 2 times 3. divided by log 2 raised to power 2. So here we have y to be equals 2 plus, if you apply the property of logarithm here, we are going to have log 2 plus log 3, right? So divided by, also here we can express this as 2 raised to power 2. So then y will be 2 plus log 2 plus log 3. Also applying the property of logarithm here, we are going to have 2 log 2. Alright, therefore we are going to have y to be 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. This will cancel out this, right? So then we are going to have y equals 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 divided by log 2. So we are going to do something here by finding the LCM and simplify this. So we have LCM here is 2. 1 in 2, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. Here will be what? 1 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 divided by 2. And what we are going to have at the end is 5 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 and base 2. I hope you understand. Let me know in the comment section. So our final value of y will be 5, right? This is what we have, divided by 2 log 3 and base 2. So this is our final answer. You can also check this by substituting the value of y into the given equation that says 4 raised to power y equals 96. So let me help you. So we have 4. You have to put the value of y here. That's 5 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log 3 in base 2. So if you substitute this, what we are going to get is your left hand side will definitely be equal to your right hand side. I hope you enjoyed this video.